Okay, welcome. Today, we will look at a new network rack that has been designed by a very, very smart person. I cannot share with you his name because it would give it away. And I do not want you to know that I am a smart person. So I cannot tell you. But I can tell you that this panel is going to be revolutionary and will change the way magic is thought of and seen by normal humans. Because in the end, it is not science, it is magic. And so, with a little help from magic, I was able to design this enclosure. This is not an enclosure. This is the parts that go inside the enclosure. I do know this. Please forgive me for not writing a freaking script! Anyway, why am I building this? Because the solutions that exist in humanity's arsenal of tools do not fit the application that is required to fulfill the requirements of a magical panel. Therefore, I was forced to design and build my own. I will show you the floor. No, I will show you what their solution is. Their solution is to put dozens of these everywhere. Dozens of these everywhere. I said that twice. I will say it one more time. They have dozens of these everywhere. And as you can see, the reason is they cannot fit everything in this little package. Package. Anyway, back to the magic. So this is humanity's solution. It is not very good. My solution is great. It takes up a lot more room, but it is cleaner. And it actually does not take up, it takes up exactly the same amount of room as 12 of those. Imagine you had 12 cookies and you could shove them all in your mouth. Or you could shove one of these in your mouth. These are too big for you to shove in your mouth. I do not want you to go home and think that you can eat this. This is not a cake. This is not, is it cake? That's a cool show though. Anyway, so as you can see, I'm only 3/4 of the way done. I've done 2 different cabling styles to decide which one that I like better. Currently, I don't know. This is a very hard decision. This is very clean. These cables are much smaller, but they do the same thing. These are more traditional cables, Cat 6 cables. These cables here that will land here will be shielded, and that shield will be grounded. After this, they do not need to be grounded because there's no high voltage anywhere except in my fingertips where the magic comes from. But my fingers will typically not be in the panel, so we will be safe from any electrical discharge that my fingers might produce when I snap you out of existence. Like that. Take that, Thanos. Anyway, so, in conclusion, my panel is better than your panel because my mommy told me so. She said everything I build is beautiful. And so, today, I have not disappointed her. I have yet again built a beautiful panel. Once again, when I use the word panel, I do not mean the enclosure. I mean the components that go in the enclosure. Do not ask me again why I keep saying panel. It is just what I say. Remember, kids, it is not science. It is magic.